What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently June 26th. We took two trades today. This first trade was a break even that ran to full TP, and the second trade was just a losing trade. We are down 220 on the day, and on the accounts, we are down 400 each on these two Apex accounts, and then this one is still up 2,300, and that's basically my drawdown 2,300. My drawdown got set to zero because I passed the trailing drawdown. But these trades, very unfortunate. This first trade was a very nice setup. I just went break even too fast. Again, I wasn't confident in it, so I went break even and it fully ran. And then the second trade, I was a lot more confident in. I didn't go break even and got stopped out at these highs up here. So very tough day today, and this was another loss in the markets. Two losing days in a row. I feel like I'm making no progress with my trading. It's like I do good for a week, do bad for a week, but it is what it is. That's trading for you. But let's get into this first trade recap. So this first trade, we were sweeping all these highs after market open. Market open, we came up, pushed up, swept out all these highs, tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap, saw a sell-off. We got a 5-minute inversion fair value gap. Right here we got a 5-minute, and then we also had a 1-minute CISD on this with the 5-minute inversion, 1-minute CISD. Enough confirmation to enter shorts once we rebound to a fair value gap. Rebounced here, got in, perfect entry, went break even, literally off nothing. I went break even at this candle right here. Like, this is the stupidest break even. You gotta wait for a close below the wick. If I went break even on this candle, we would have hit TP and then came all the way back up. And I would have made about $500 on each account. Nice 2-to-1 risk reward right here. But I went break even literally right here. Like, there's nothing to go break even here. And just very unfortunate. We never even came to stop loss. It would have fully played out, targeting this 4-hour fair value gap. After we hit this 4-hour fair value gap, we saw a very nice upside. I was hesitant on all these longs. I didn't really see any longs. I know a lot of people took longs from down here, and even this 5-minute fair value gap that we filled into, but I just never saw long entries for me. So I did not take longs. What I did take was shorts. After we took this hourly high, we had a 3-minute inversion. Let me show you guys that. We had a 3-minute inversion fair value gap right here. It is a very tiny 3-minute inversion, but it still is a 3-minute. As soon as that 3-minute inverse, we also got the 5-minute change of state. So that gave me enough confirmation that we're at least going to run through all this low resistance. Like, look at all this low resistance here. This is just a slow chop up, and this was coming into macro. So I anticipated all this LR to just be ran through coming into macro. But that did not happen. We just slow chopped up. So I entered as soon as we got that 3-minute inversion, that 5-minute CISD. Very nice entry, and just stop was above this this high right here after this fair value gap, these highs, and just a slow chop up to my stop loss. So very unfortunate day to day. This was honestly, like, I take this trade again, like sweep of liquidity, inversion fair value gap after inversing this fair value gap too, a clear inversion right here. This is only the 1-minute, so I waited for the 3-minute, got in 5-minute CISD, and then just slow chop up again. Eventually took these highs and then ran. ES did come all the way down to these 5-minute fair value gaps here, so there was an SMT right here, and I could have caught longs after, but after that I was done for the day. So these were the two trades I took today. First trade went break even too fast. Second trade was just a losing trade. So another losing day in the market. It's very unfortunate. These accounts are still looking good. Like, I could still make something out of these accounts. As you can see right here, 230 on each account pretty much. Yeah, these accounts are still, like, this one's still in profit. And these ones are only down $400. So I'm still in a good spot. $400 is one trade, so I'm not really stressing it that much, and I can't stress it. But losing like these, losing like today and yesterday, where it's a setup that I would take any day of the week, just makes me lose confidence in my trading, honestly. And after I took this loss, like, I really wanted to go until I'm like, I messaged my homie. I'm like, yo, I'm about to full port shorts. Literally, as soon as we inverse this fair value, yeah, it would have played out. As soon as we inverse this fair value gap here, I was literally like, yo, I'm about to full port shorts and target these lows and then these lows. But it played out to TP1, but I'm glad I did not take it because I followed my rules, 2 trades a day, and we took a loss here. So this was the trades today. Unfortunate, but make sure you guys join my Discord community. The link will be in the bio. Let's see if anybody banked today. Box, this was 10:30. Can't really, I don't know if he took a trade, but nobody else took a trade today. So that's it for this trade recap. Make sure you guys also like and subscribe and use code ZAC for 80% off all accounts. Apex is now running a 80% discount for, let me say, oh, not that, I want to go on just the Apex website itself. They are running an 80% discount for 12 days, so use code ZAC for 80% off all accounts, and make sure you guys like and subscribe, and that's going to be it for this video. Unfortunate loss, but we can't let it affect us. We just got to move forward with the tomorrow. Damn, we came to all-time highs. Did we? Almost. All-time high. We're going to probably come to all-time highs tomorrow. What is this? 4-hour close and then up here? I'm confused. Oh, wait, that's the daily. So this daily closed like this, and then this daily just opened up here. That's weird. But we just been so bullish, and I hate trading all-time highs because there's just nothing to the left. There's no fair value gaps. There's nothing to the left. So that's why yesterday I wanted to see downside, but I guess we're just going to keep longing, keep being bullish until we take all-time highs. Like these type of markets are just very hard for me to trade in personally because we have no market structure to the left, so I don't really know what to look for. I don't know what to target. I don't know how to really use Fibonacci. I know some people use like 2 to 2.5 for standard deviation, but I don't really know how to use that, so I'm not going to use it. But I hope overnight we start to see a little sell-off, and maybe we can catch a long tomorrow out of a higher time frame fair value gap, but who knows? I honestly might de-risk the rest of the week and next week to 3 micros because we are down on these accounts, and I really don't care about the profits. I just don't want to blow these accounts. I just want to take my time with them and build them slowly. So we are down $400 on these two, which is very tough with 5 days, but it is what it is. That's trading for you. But anyways, that will be it for this episode, and peace out, y'all.